Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make pistachio fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. My buddy Richard asked me to make some pistachio fudge, which I thought was a great idea. At heart, it's just a white chocolate fudge, but it has the addition of some chopped pistachios and some pistachio instant pudding for color and a little extra flavor. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own pistachio fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of shelled pistachios, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 3/4 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 3.4 ounce package of instant pistachio pudding mix, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, a bowl, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan with parchment. Chop the pistachios and set aside 1/4 cup. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the white chocolate chips, unsalted butter, and sweetened condensed milk. Microwave in 30-second increments, stirring after each until the mixture is fully melted and smooth. Stir in the pistachio pudding mix, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt until everything is well incorporated. Add 3/4 cup of the chopped pistachios to the mixture and mix until evenly distributed. Pour the fudge into the pan and even out the surface. Sprinkle the reserved pistachios on top and gently press them into the fudge. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or until set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. I don't know why, but to me, pistachios always lend a touch of elegance, and these are no exception. It's creamy and crunchy, starts out with a mild sweetness, then the slightly salty nuttiness kicks in, and it's really just delightful. If you want to elevate your fudge game a little bit, you really ought to try these. Microwave in 30 seconds. If you want to elevate...